ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have a speaking practice using classroom language. Let's begin. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
May I come in?
May I come in?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please.
Do the exercise.
Do the exercise.
Pay attention, please.
Pay attention, please.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
What's the homework?
What's the homework?
Pack your things away.
Pack your things away.
Wait a moment, please.
Wait a moment, please.
Step aside, please.
Step aside, please.
Listen to me, please.
Listen to me, please.
Can I clean the board, please?
Can I clean the board, please?
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
Open your book at page 10.
Open your book at page 10.
Can I open the window, please?
Can I open the window, please?
Can I go to the board, please?
Can I go to the board, please?
Can I sharpen my pencil, please?
Can I sharpen my pencil, please?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
May I go out?
May I go out?
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Can I go to the toilet, please?
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
Can I borrow your book, please?
Can I borrow your book, please?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for listening.
Until next speaking adventure.